How to find new meme coins? Finding new meme coins requires research and vigilance, as the meme coin market is highly speculative and risky. You can explore platforms like PinkSale and DXSale, which focus on token launches, or Binance Launchpad for vetted projects. Websites like CoinMarketCap recently added CoinGecko, new coins, and niche platforms such as PooCoin or BOG Finance track new tokens. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap are also common launch platforms for meme coins. Social media platforms like Twitter/X, Reddit e.g. r/cryptomoonshots, and Telegram/Discord groups are useful for tracking trending coins and community discussions. You can also participate in token pre-sales or airdrops while exercising caution. Use tools like Token Sniffer and BSCheck to analyze contract safety and liquidity. Stay informed about popular meme coin trends, such as Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, as newer tokens often aim to replicate their success. Always research the project's white paper, team transparency, audit reports, liquidity lock, and ownership renouncement to mitigate risks before investing.